His advice to Lil Durk.
I want to hear my opinion on the Lil Durk situation. I ain't saying he guilty. I don't know what his situation is. But if life is going good for you and you come from private, we risk so much of our freedom, time, and life trying to get where we at to put ourselves in a position where we can take care of our family and our responsibility. The best revenge was for King Von. I'm not saying Durk guilty or anything, but the best revenge that you could have got for King Von was stepping up and taking care of his kids. We ignorant. We do stupid stuff. Why is we out here trying to continue to hurt each other? It's not gonna bring back. What's done is done. It's permanent. Go get his kids, take his kids, and put his kids in a position where they never have to walk in their daddy's footsteps. It hurt me to see that Durk came so far in life just to end up in his predicament. Y'all rap about these things in y'all songs, showing that y'all know better and still choose to be foolish. But God knows we gotta come together because at the end of the day,
Lil Durk had his first court hearing today for his case, but things did not go as planned. Reports stated that OTF rapper Lil Durk had his first court appearance for his M for Hire case. The rapper will remain in jail with zero chance of bond release or bail. House arrest is still a possibility, but not at this time. This left Lil Durk looking emotional inside the jail. However, his cell block has been making things a bit easier for him. It was reported that Lil Durk is described as very charming by prison staff and inmates. The only thing he does not like in jail right now is the food, which went viral online and caught the attention of known snitch YSL Woody, who told on Young Thug in the YSL trial. Lil Durk has been moved from Fulton County to Miami, which gives hope that a release on bond is possible. Durk's lawyers questioned the feds about what they actually have on him. It was stated that Kodak Black's attorney Bradford Cohen believes Lil Durk has a real chance to beat the King Von and Quando Rondo revenge case unless OTF testifies against him. He said he is hesitant to say they have a strong case on Durk Banks and believes they have a long way to go to prove it.
You know, so far I've seen one text that says don't have them associate my name with any kind of flights that they're taking. Certainly that's not a good text, but is that the only text? Because that doesn't, that in itself doesn't stand on its own. Certainly it's circumstantial. But like I said, we have to wait and see what other evidence they have. If they have a snitch, if they have videotapes or audio tapes of him saying something, I think that's a lot different than, hey, just make sure you don't associate my name with these.
It is still early in proceedings, and the evidence against Lil Durk is small at the moment. We also do not fully know what OTF Jam recorded on his wire while being around Durk for the last 2 years. This famous lawyer explained when Durk could be released depending on whether someone decides to snitch. For now, he still has a positive outlook on Lil Durk's case. However, there is one rapper who likely affected the case. Brick Baby had already pieced together crime before the feds even brought in Lil Durk. He appeared in an interview not long ago and claimed that people cannot say Lil Durk never slid for King Von because they took out Lil Pab. After Lil Durk was arrested, Brick Baby went on a live stream and continued speaking on the situation.
You can look at that a million different ways. So I'm hesitant to say that they have, a slam dunk case.
5 Chicago gang members with ties to Lil Durk and OTF were accused of being hired to take out Quando Rondo in the LA incident where Lil Pab was unilived. The suspects face a penalty if convicted. The indictment alleged that their flights and rental cars were paid for with credit cards linked to OTF. The question is whether this was an attempted hit or something else entirely. During a discussion, Brick Baby reacted by saying you cannot say that anymore because of FG Cash and because of the federal charges in California tied to Lil Pab after. That clip, it looked like Brick Baby had essentially exposed Lil Durk by claiming he went after Quando Rondo but ended up getting Lil Pab instead. The situation got even worse when a report surfaced that Brick Baby said he would have dropped Quando Rondo's location if Lil Durk had asked because he is loyal.
Depends on the hunger of the U.S. attorney and the AUSA that's involved.